that? Well, that's not a siren, that's a whole ass alarm clock. Fuck, I'm dumb. Bam. No, don't shoot me. No, come over here. Come on. Oh. No. Die. Why am I high? Why am I on drugs? Get over here already. Bro, what is this thing? It ain't dying. Did I win? And another one of those. Holy shit. Oh god. Oh no. Oh no. Break this, please. Let me in. No, you stay right here.
Better scramble like an egg before you get folded like an omelet, nigga.
Why'd you whack me with that? Okay, come here then. If you want melee fight, let's melee fight. What the fuck? I don't want to get high. Ah, god damn it. I wasted every single fucking bullet on that shit.
You got mail.
Hello.
Hey man.
I was busy doing some diving stuff, so I couldn't accept for the first bit.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. That's the first time I invite an Xbox player. I had to figure out how that works. Didn't even know he got this invitation.
Yo, that fort looking juicy. Wanna do that?
Yeah, let's go.
There's no one here. It's just us.
Yeah, I'm just turning around in case someone's coming.
Good plan.
Oh, I see his ship now. He's anchored on the other side.
Oh, I see him too. Oh shit, he's coming after you. He's coming after you. Watch out.
Yeah, I see him. I've got a keg in my hand though.
I got him. Go, blow him up.
I will.
Bomb has been planted.
Nice. Good work. Oh, he's completely done.
Yeah. Now all we do is have to stay here. Wait for him.
Oh yeah, he's sinking, alright.
Poor guy.
There's two!
Two of them. Yeah, it's two of them.
Hello, you two. Yeah, no, their ship is completely done for. Oh, that's nice.
Je vais leur dire qu'on voulait juste les aider sur la forteresse.
They're French. Ah shit, parked a little too close. There we go. We're parked. I found some fireworks.
Nice. Let them know where we are.
Yes.
Try and shoot the skeleton of the keg.
One crossed wire, one wayward pinch of potassium chloride, one errant twitch, and kaboom!
Oh god.
Kaboom!
Oh man.
Compramos carros y camionetas
shit.
viejas para desarmar.
I got one. Just keep him distracted. The boss is gonna be really hard.
Yeah, if we have enough kegs, we can just blow them up. Watch out,
Oh, we're
kegs
never
right
gonna
there.
have enough cakes for this guy.
Oh, no.
I'm about to die.
That's what was here.
Just the two-faced scoundrel. It's fine.
Yeah, prepare the kegs. And then we need to bring them over.
Oh no, this dude's fine. We don't need any cakes for them.
We have loads of cakes.
Ah, not really. The
Once
end
they
boss
blow
could,
up.
the end boss could tank all of them.
So,
One crossed wire, one wayward pinch of potassium chloride, one errant twitch, and kablooey!
on the way.
Nice. That hit directly. Well, I'm dead. Oh yeah, I'm dead.
I'm coming.
Gonna take me like maybe half an hour to finish this.
No. First boss is over. There you go. That's now just collect the treasure.
Wait, what? This is all?
Yeah, this is it.
Let's see what's in there. What the fuck is Veiled Eye of Souls?
You have a treasure map. You wanna find that treasure?
Yeah, sure.
Found a treasure map in one of these bosses.
You want this, you want the rest of the gold?
Yeah, take it. Pirates. Pirates take everything.
I'm gonna go sell the ship. The gold stacks you pick up don't get shared. So,
Don't they? I
no,
thought
they
do.
don't.
Did you get gold?
Okay, well, last time I played, they didn't get shared.
I think everything is shared in the game. Look, the skeleton ship. You see this cloud? How it's flashing green? That means there's a player doing it.
Oh, cool.
Whenever you do one of these events, it starts flashing green, and players can come and like PvP you over it. And I think there's a ship ahead to at the port where we're going. Player ship as well.
I'm just gonna shoot a bunch of fireworks.
Yeah, I'll get that out. That one's pretty.
Fireworks look great in the night.
Yeah. Yeah, there's a sloop. I'm not sure if it's going to the... Come up here. I'm not sure if it's going to the port or away from it. We might have to fight them.
Oh, they don't look like trouble. They've still got their lanterns on. I'm just gonna throw myself over. Why is it auto-locking onto there? I'm just trying to walk over.
Just jump over. We're really close.
Oh man.
That's fucking nasty. Holy shit.
Why is my entire screen green?
He vomited you in the face.
Oh.
And now there's vomit all over my fucking ship, man. Oh my god, someone clean it up.
Hold on, let me check if I have a broom. Why is it so hard to get that one song?
Oh, you can select songs.
There we
You
go.
don't have to.
How do I
Through them.
select?
Well, when you have your instrument in your hands, you press your item wheel again, and then it's like... I don't know what button is for Xbox, but... For me it's like circle. That's like a selection of songs.
You mean shanties?
Yeah, shanties.
Ah!
We are hunting a skeleton fleet now.
Oh, nice. I love skeleton fleets. And I love hearing hit sounds. Yeah, I'll just be focusing on the skeleton ships until anyone tells me.
Yeah. Oh look, it's diving up next to us. It's still underwater, a skeleton ship.
Yeah, I see it.
Ah! I do not have any cannonballs.